Okay, so I'm working on some prop stuff for a production of Oklahoma at the Kirby Cultural Arts Complex in Roxboro, North Carolina. This is an original, I call it a calf weaner. This is designed to wean calves. Put this on the muzzle of on the snout of the calf if it's suckling too long from the mom, and obviously these big gnarly nails make the mom very unhappy with what the baby's doing. This one was handmade by my great-grandfather on his farm in Alabama, so it's wicked old and it's beautiful, and I'm not going to use it live on stage. So to create the piece that I will mount in the Smokehouse for Judd, I've got these galvanized nails, an old belt that I have cut into pieces these pieces will recreate this part, buckles that go around the head, and I'll end up sewing these onto this to connect them. The galvanized nails obviously will not rust, so what I'm going to do for that is take them out right now and grind them, build this all together, and throw it outside so that the snow hits it, and we're going to see what happens in a couple of days. Again, here's the original. And then I have all these bits. My nails are nice and ground. Got the galvanized coating off of them. So hopefully they'll rust. So then all I'm going to do is just poke these back through the holes. Like this. And then that's that. Okay, so then I'll start making it look like it's all buckled up. I'm going to take these and just kind of put them on here for now. When we finish the prop, they'll be sewn on in a nice way. But until then, I'm going to grab a couple of zip ties and just do this. All right, so there you have it. And hopefully this way these things won't come off in the snow or when I pick it up or if it gets kicked around by a moose.